Welcome to the best picks. The best kayak flags is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked accessories for any paddler venturing onto open waters, ensuring your visibility to other boats and significantly reducing the risk of accidents, making it an essential investment for both your safety and peace of mind, especially in busy waterways or low light conditions. Number 5. YakAttack VISIPole 2 360 degrees LED light and flag. Introducing the ultimate visibility system for your kayak. It combines a bright LED light and a high visibility flag to ensure you're seen. This is crucial for safety in low light or busy water conditions. Setting it up is incredibly easy. It mounts directly to YakAttack GearTrack and most kayak track systems. This allows for a quick, tool-free installation with a secure hold. Designed for the toughest conditions, it features a durable 3/8 fiberglass mast. The light housing is waterproof to an impressive 1,000 feet. You can rely on its performance even in rough weather or water. Enjoy long-lasting power with the included 3 AA batteries. Its LED burns for up to 100 hours, and the lamp itself offers over 10,000 hours of life. This ensures multi-day or extended night use without worry. This system is built tough in the USA using marine-grade components. It's a vital part of the YakAttack visibility ecosystem, trusted by serious kayak anglers. You can count on its quality and reliability. What we like. This system offers unparalleled 360-degree visibility, crucial for night paddling or busy waterways. Its integrated LED light and flag ensure you're seen from all angles. If you frequently paddle in low-light conditions or high-traffic areas, this is your top choice for ultimate safety. What people say. Number 4. YakAttack VISIFlag with MightyMount. Stay safe on the water with this essential accessory. Its 52-inch tall pole significantly increases your daytime visibility, making it easier for other boaters to spot you. This simple addition greatly improves your on-water safety. It comes complete with YakAttack's low-profile MightyMount base and all necessary installation hardware. This ensures direct compatibility with most kayak track systems right out of the box. You'll have everything you need for a quick setup. Beyond track systems, this flag offers universal mounting flexibility. It's compatible with GearTrack, MightyMount, and most factory-installed kayak tracks. You can even fit it into tube-style rod holders for truly flexible rigging. Crafted from phthalate-free, CSPAI-compliant vinyl, it's designed for extreme durability. This material withstands harsh sun, strong winds, and saltwater exposure without fading or tearing. You can trust it to perform in any conditions. Proudly made in the USA, this product is backed by the YakAttack Built for Life guarantee. It's the trusted choice for kayak anglers and paddle sport professionals alike. Invest in quality that lasts. What we like. This flag comes with YakAttack's MightyMount, making installation a breeze on most track systems. Its 52-inch height significantly boosts your daytime visibility. If you're looking for a complete, easy-to-install flag solution for your track-equipped kayak, this one is perfect. What people say. Number 3. 4-foot Kayak Safety Flag Kit. Introducing the ultimate safety solution for your water adventures. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for enhanced visibility and peace of mind. It's designed as a DIY accessory for various watercraft. Its vibrant red banner ensures you're easily spotted on the water, day or night. This crucial feature significantly enhances your safety, making your presence known to others. You can even modify it to suit your specific needs. The robust rail mount base, secured with screws, provides a firm and stable hold for the flag pole. Installation is a breeze, and you can effortlessly insert or remove it when transporting your kayak. This design ensures both security and convenience. Crafted from lightweight aluminum alloy, the self-joining flag pole is incredibly easy to handle. Its collapsible nature allows for convenient breakdown and storage, saving you space. You'll appreciate its portability on every trip. This versatile safety flag is ideal for kayaks, canoes, boats, dinghies, and yachts. It's an essential accessory for anyone looking to improve their visibility on the water. Ensure your next outing is a safe one with this reliable kit. What we like. This complete kit provides everything you need for immediate safety, including a sturdy track mount base. Its aluminum pole is collapsible, making storage and transport incredibly convenient. If you need a full flag setup that's also easy to break down and store, this is an excellent value. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON for extraction. Number 2. YakAttack VISIFlag 52 Safety Flag Pole. This 52-inch safety flag significantly increases your presence on the water. It helps other boaters spot you, especially in busy areas or challenging conditions, ensuring greater safety. Designed for convenience, it easily attaches to YakAttack MightyMounts, gear track, and most standard tube-style rod holders. This provides flexible options for securing it to your kayak setup. Featuring a tall, durable mast, it provides effective daytime signaling without adding unnecessary weight or drag. Its robust construction ensures reliable performance on every trip. Constructed from CSPAI-compliant, phthalate-free vinyl, it meets high safety standards. This material also offers long-term resistance to sun, wind, and water exposure, ensuring its longevity. Proudly made in the USA, it's backed by YakAttack's Built for Life guarantee. This product seamlessly integrates with your existing YakAttack rigging system, offering reliable performance. What we like. This flag pole offers great versatility, compatible with both track systems and standard rod holders. Its rugged yet lightweight design ensures minimal drag while providing excellent daytime signaling. If you already have a mounting base or prefer using a rod holder, and prioritize a lightweight setup, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Number 1. LuxoGear Emergency Whistles with Lanyard. Need to be heard in an emergency? These double-tube whistles deliver an incredible 120 decibels of sound, audible over a mile away. They're designed to produce a powerful, shrill blast every time, ensuring your signal is never missed. Its innovative keyless design means no moving parts to jam, break, or freeze, ensuring consistent performance in any condition. This lightweight and fail-safe whistle offers a comfortable mouth grip that won't stick, even in the cold. Equipped with an adjustable, reflective lanyard, it offers high visibility day or night. Easily adjust its length or clip it to your gear, belt, or straps for quick access when every second counts. Crafted from super durable, high-impact ABS plastic, it's completely waterproof and moisture-resistant. This premium quality whistle is your reliable companion for all outdoor adventures, from camping to kayaking, and even dog training. Whether for rescue signaling, sports, or simply peace of mind, it's an essential item for life safety. Keep it close for hiking, boating, fishing, or any activity where a loud signal is crucial. Every purchase comes with a worry-free warranty and lifetime support. Our friendly customer service team is always ready to assist you with any questions. What we like. While not a flag, this emergency whistle is a vital safety accessory for any kayaker. Its super loud, keyless design ensures reliable signaling in any condition, heard over a mile away. If you prioritize an essential, fail-safe emergency signaling device that's always ready, this whistle is a must-have addition to your safety gear. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.